You can mirror one Android Auto smartphone, either wirelessly or by plugging it into the USB port. First, install the Android Auto application via the Play Store on your smartphone. To connect your smartphone wirelessly, start by activating the wireless Android Auto function on your smartphone. To do that, go to the Settings menu on the Android Auto app. Then, press on the Settings application on your vehicle's central touchscreen. In the list, select the Connectivity tab, then Devices, to display the device you wish to connect to Android Auto. If the device has never been connected to the system, pair them. The system will detect whether the smartphone is Android Auto compatible, and if it is, it will then offer to pair the two. If the device has already been connected to the system by Bluetooth, in the list of recognized devices, press on this button to show your smartphone settings. Then, choose Android Auto as the wireless connection mode. To reconnect your smartphone at a later date, please activate Bluetooth on your device. As soon as the connection is established, press this button to display the Android Auto interface. In order to connect your device using a cable, first deactivate the Android Auto wireless function in the Settings menu of your smartphone's Android Auto app. Plug your phone's USB cable into the USB port. After a few seconds, Android Auto will automatically launch. During the first connection, you will have to follow a validation process on your smartphone. This must be carried out whilst the vehicle is stationary. The smartphone is charging when it is connected via the USB cable. To activate the smartphone's voice controls, long press on the control button on the steering wheel.